Okay, so we are in a 2009 Honda CRV, and I'm going to show you how you can replace your interior bulbs. So what I like to use is this tool. It's a really small flathead, and what you're going to need to do is go up here and just pry open, and like that. So easy, get it to pop out, and then you can just yank this part off. It's kind of stuck. And then there you go. There's the bulb itself, and you can just slide your finger or the flathead right here and pop it right on out and replace it. Okay, so for the back seat of this car, it's a little harder to find the spots, but now that I have it open, it might be easier for you to see. There's two spots here in the front where you can be able to slide the flathead through, and also you might have to slide it through the back in like these areas, but it's hard to show when I'm using the camera. Okay, so here's the finished product. Very bright, as you can see. Okay, now with the door open, you can see both turn on like they're supposed to, and they're bright. Right, so for the back seat, there's some parts here in the front